Hello, in front of me I have got Samsung Galaxy M34. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. At the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. And now enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Hey Google. What's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.